Hop into the 2024 Ram 3500. The Ram 3500 delivers massive strength, power, and payload capacity, a refined and convenient interior, and the highest quality craftsmanship. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, 8-speed AT, rear-wheel drive, locking limited slip differential, stability control, split bench seat. You don't have to give up luxury to get heavy-duty capability. Get the best of both worlds with this comfort-focused 3500. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.